2, 3, let's go!
Hi guys, welcome back to another video on my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create your own thumbnail as well as how to add the iPhone image for your thumbnails. So first of all, go to canva.com and create an account, and you should have a page like this with your profile, a create design, and all these different templates that you can use. And I'm using the free version. So just go to create design, custom dimensions to 1280 by 720, and then make sure you have exactly what I have. Press the lock button, and this is because every time you do a thumbnail, you don't have to keep on writing the dimensions in. So then you'll come up to a page with a design lab and search for a template that you like that are all free. I just chose this one, but I didn't really worry about the image because I knew that that was going to be my image for my thumbnail. Then I went to backgrounds, and then I searched the one that I liked. This took a while because I had to make sure that I liked the one that I picked, but I didn't really end up liking that one because it didn't really go with my aesthetics theme that I have, and I use marble a lot. So I just searched up marble, and I found one that I use a lot. Dragged it in, and it came like this. Then I searched up library hand holding iPhone X, and I didn't pick this one because it didn't have the transparent background, so you had to make sure it had that. Then go to tools, color transparent, find one you like with the transparent background, copy the image, and I'm going to leave that in the description. But before you do it, make sure you go to your uploads and upload the image that you're going to put as your screen for your iPhone X, if that makes any sense. You don't have to use your iPhone X, I just chose it because it was the first thing that came to my mind when doing this. So obviously when I pasted my iPhone X image, the image for the screen was way too big, so I had to resize it just to make sure it fit just perfectly. And also to mention, I sell my own intros, outros, and slates, thumbnails, and channel banners, so I'll leave that in the description below. And if you want to see things that I make, I'll leave that to the end of the video, so make sure you guys watch to the end. And yeah, so I finally repositioned it and changed my text to how to get the iPhone image for a thumbnail. And you can use whatever one you want. You can change the font, you can change the text, you can change the color, where you want it, and stuff like that. Now, if you want to get a specific font, then you might have to use Fonto because I'm not too sure how to do it on Canva. But then I just found an overlay that I liked, and obviously I use the stars a lot, but I kind of quit using stars now because I use it a lot, as well as the iPhone, so sorry about that. But then I searched up Tumblr PNG images, and of course I'm going to leave the link to this in the description so no copyright notice is coming at me. So I found one that I liked, but I made sure that it had the transparent background. I liked this one, but it didn't have the background like I wanted, but you can also go to eraser and crop that out. But I just made what's easier, and I found one that I had the real background. I copied and pasted this into my design, and then I pasted it, and I made sure I liked where I wanted it. So I put mine just at the bottom of my text. I thought that looked kind of cute, and yeah. Then that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. Bye!